In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to remove the Welcome panel in WordPress dashboard. The Welcome panel is a box added to the dashboard page of your WordPress admin area. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this panel temporarily or permanently. To remove it temporarily, you can just click here to dismiss, and the Welcome panel is gone. If you ever want the panel back, just click here on Screen Options and enable the Welcome Screen element. Now, if you want to remove the Welcome panel permanently, then you just need to add a simple code snippet. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go to the bottom of the code. Make sure that you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. I'll put it in the description below. Then click on Update File. And that's it. Now when I go to my dashboard and go to Screen Options, the Welcome Screen element is not here. This is how you can remove the Welcome panel in WordPress dashboard. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.